How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We have to stay whole month at home. So here are some art activities to make you busy and you guys will have a lot of fun. Okay, I'm your art teacher and today we are going to do a very nice artwork. You just need your pencil, eraser, and you need your crayons. Even if you don't have crayons, don't worry. You can use your pencil colors. Just hold your pencils and take any piece of paper, like you can use loose sheet or you can use your rough register, or even if you have sketch files, that's good. Okay, now we are going to start draw. First you will make a curved line like this. You have to make a very nice curved line. I'm using marker so you guys can see easily, but you can draw with your pencils. After that I'm going to draw a tree stem and I will draw it like this. You will make a very nice tree stem. We have to make its branches, so I made this curve like that. After that I will make the other side of this tree stem and I joined it to over here. Then we'll make its branches, we'll spread its branches like this. I will stop here and again. Now we have to make more branches of this tree. Stop. Students, why I have given these pauses? Why? Because we have to make more branches on that tree. Look, like this. You will make it more thick. Now the last one, and I will stop here and do it again. You have to make one more branch, and that way our tree is ready. Okay, we will give a little more detail. We'll make two more lines, like we will make two more curves over here like that, and we will complete it. Okay, now we have to fill that area with a black color. I'm going to use a crayon so we can do it easily and quickly. If you don't have crayons, don't worry, you can use your pencil colors and you have to fill it very nicely. The whole your tree trunk and its branches, you have to fill all that area with a black color and you have to make it very dark and thick. And please do coloring very nicely. Don't make white space and lines in your coloring. So I have filled this tree with the black color. After completing this black color, I'm going to use different colors to fill the whole page. First of all, we are going to start with the ground. And how we will fill the color in the ground? We will use light green color in that area. We'll start with a dark shade, like we'll give it a dark shade. We'll do it very thick. You guys can see. And when I will come down, I will go like very light color because I want to give it a light shade at the end. Even if it is light green color, but we have to do it a little hard, so we can give a little darker shade of this light green color. And at the end, we will give the light shade. Okay, I have done this light green color. Now I'm starting with the dark green color, and how I will use it, I will do darker shade over here. And first I will do this darker shade, and then at the end I will do it little light, like we have to do shading of this green color. Okay, I'm done with this green shade. Now I'm going to use blue shade and we'll start with the branches of this tree and we'll do it dark. You guys have to apply the same technique, like on the first you guys have to do it little dark, and when you will come to the end you have to use the lighter shade of the same color. You will do it dark. And when you will come to the end, you have to do it very light in that way. Look, I have done the same technique on the both sides. First, we have started with the darker shade, and with the same dark blue color, I made it like with the lighter shade. Now we will use different colors to fill these areas. You can use the colors of your own choice. I'm going to start with the red shade. So I'll fill this area with the red shade, and you have to use the same technique. Okay, first, even if you are starting from this area or you are starting from there, you have to do the darker shade and then you will go light. Look, I have done all these colors. Like first I used red, orange, pink, yellow, brown, green, and this is frozen, and we have done purple with the same technique. We started with the darker shade and then we have done the same color in the lighter tone. Look, our drawing, our painting is ready. I hope you all enjoyed that. Have fun. Take care. Bye bye.